Falcon 9 is in startup.
Spacex launch director, go for launch.
3, 2, 1, ignition. Engines full power and liftoff of Starlink. Go Falcon, go Starlink.
SpaceX launched a Falcon 9 rocket from Space Launch Complex 40 at Cape Canaveral at 12:05 a.m. Eastern Time on Saturday, loaded with 23 Starlink satellites to be added to the ever-growing constellation. The Falcon 9 lit up the night sky over Florida as it headed towards low Earth orbit.
Falcon 9 is supersonic, max Q.
Impact chill has started. Main engine cut off.
Stage separation.
Impact ignition.
Fairing separation.
Both stages continue to follow nominal trajectories.
Stage 1, FTS has safed.
Stage 1, entry burn startup.
Stage 2, FTS has safed.
Stage 1, entry burn shutdown. Stage 1, transonic.
Stage 2, terminal guidance.
Stage 1, landing burn.
After first stage separation, the booster landed on the drone recovery ship. Just read the instructions.
Stage 1, landing leg deploy. Stage 1, landing confirmed.
Impact shutdown.
Moments later, the second stage reached nominal orbit insertion. Another successful Starlink mission. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you track every SpaceX launch.
Nominal orbit insertion.